Refinance holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video, I'm talking about refinance. What's the price of ref? What's the price changes? Who can refinance? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, guys, if you are new in my channel or if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly click the subscribe button right now for more news and update videos. At this time, guys, if we talk about the latest price of refinance in the market, so 0.031353 USD dollar, that is the currently latest price of refinance. Other side, if we talk about the changes update of ref, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the refinance is completely going positive, guys. So very congratulations to all refinance holder. And guys, I'm sure about that for a long time refinance will continue this pump. You can see, guys, absolutely from 11 October the refinance price highly pumped. Just look here, guys, that is last 1 day price chart, and still, guys, you know what, still as I show you that last 60-minute update is also positive. So this means that refinance is still in the huge pump, and I believe that for a long time reef will continue this pump. So just hold for a long time, guys. You can see here positive 61.13% reef changes is positive just in last 1 month, guys. Absolutely a massive gain so occurred by refinance. So guys, now I believe about refinance that to the last of October to the end of this month finance changes you found positive, guys. So that's why, guys, I think it's opportunity for all investor, those people who want to invest in refinance. You know what, I think I believe that for everybody you have to invest in reef, because the price of refinance is very low, and you know about that refinance is in the huge pump. So that is golden opportunity, guys. Just buy now and hold just for 10 days. For short time invest in a reef. It's the last of October, you found a huge profit. Anyways, what's your opinion? What's your prediction about reef? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.